Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can view someone's status on WhatsApp without them knowing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, get to the update section and upload a new status. Once the status has been uploaded, I will simply get to my other WhatsApp account and then view the status update. After viewing the status from my other account, if I get back to my main WhatsApp account, you can see that my other account is recorded as a view. Now, in order to hide this view, I will upload another status and then switch back to the other account. Next, go to the Settings tab of your account and access Privacy. Inside the Privacy settings, make sure to disable the Read Receipts feature. This will prevent others from seeing that you have viewed their status. Now, go back and view the status again. If I then check my main account, you can see that my view was not recorded. This way, you can view someone's status without them knowing. So that's basically how you can view someone's status on WhatsApp without them knowing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.